All right, time to hook this trail camera up. Guys, really quick, we're gonna hook it up facing this way. You can kind of see we got a little swampy area on the property, and see if we can get some wildlife. We got some footprints down there. Now, I've never done this before. Always wanted to, never done it. So don't judge me if this is not the best location or if there's a technique or something that I should be doing, because I don't know. I'm just gonna kind of point and shoot and see, and then maybe do some research, because this is just a whole beaver dam area in here. So we're gonna see what we see with the trail cam. So I'm kind of excited about it. I'm not gonna get too much sun in here as well. So it might be I might have to check on these batteries more often. So we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna turn it to aim so I can see what the camera is actually seeing. So that's pretty cool. So it gives you a little monitor. All right, so we'll hook this up, then test it one more time. That was super easy to cinch up right there. Just loop it around the tree, cinch it up. Now we come over here and we're gonna press aim. We're gonna go here, go aim just like that. And this is gonna show us what we're seeing. So still on camera, coming back here. I can still see me. Yep, got this whole area right here. So this is what the camera is seeing right here, this whole area. Then see that I did see a little bit of animal prints down here coming down to drink the water maybe, and maybe on the other side. We'll see. We'll just leave it up here for a little bit, a few days, come back and see if this is a good spot or not. Just gonna make sure that we turn it on. There we go. It is flashing red. Trail cam installed. It was that easy. Super, super easy. All right, it's been a few days. Sun is out, looking awesome. Looks like the solar, I picked the right spot. The sun is hitting that solar on the trail cam perfectly. So now let's see if we picked up anything. All right, so this is really cool. I don't even have to pull the SD card out. I don't have to go back to the computer. I can look and search right here and see I have 131 motion detections in the past little bit, and I can go and to my gallery right here and see all of those, and then download them onto my phone, the ones I want to keep. That's pretty cool. But I think for this time, I'm just going to grab the SD card, go back to the computer. All right, so I'm going to just show you guys real quick how good the quality is. That's pretty good nighttime camera right there. All right, let's take the SD card out and let's go see what we can find. Let's go hunt through some footage here. Well. Looks like we weren't the only ones curious about this spot. Middle of the night, where we're all fast asleep, these two show up like they own the place. Just out here playing, splashing around, probably think that they found the perfect hangout. And this is exactly why I wanted a trail cam, because there's a whole world happening out there that you'll never get to see unless you are looking for it. And right here, this is what makes the trail cam so cool. You set it up, you walk away, a few days later, you come back to moments like this that you would have completely missed otherwise. Now, this is simple, it's easy, and honestly, it is kind of addicted once you see what's really out there. Now I just have to decide, am I really watching wildlife, or am I officially spying on my new raccoon neighbors?